Woodworking square hole drill. These drill bits are designed for multiple materials including wood, drywall, and tiles, making them suitable for various DIY and professional projects. The set includes bits for creating both square and rectangular holes, offering flexibility in design and functionality for woodworking tasks. The hex shank design allows for easy attachment to most power drills and oscillating multi-tools, enhancing usability across different equipment. Made from durable stainless steel, these drill bits ensure long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. Engineered for accurate and clean cuts, these bits enable precise square and rectangular holes for professional-looking results.